I got this from Derya. Waited a few months for it. It's always out of stock. So here, already opened the box. It's a really nice 22 long rifle gun. It's right here. It comes with I got it right here. Two plastic 10-round magazines. It also comes with its own what do you call this? Chamber flag. And it's pretty cool because it actually doesn't stick out, it sticks in. Looks nice. All metal. Adjustable stock. This is plastic, all metal. And threaded barrel. So we could change the muzzle. See? Oh, pretty cool. User manual. It also has an Allen wrench to open it, clean it up, and this thing here. It looks like a thing to remove the barrel from what I saw on YouTube. It's actually pretty easy to disassemble, but I am not going to try it yet. Maybe when I start cleaning it, I'm going to try it. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching this short video. 6-hour Romy 5 on my Derya TM-22.